There you go. Alex, you're doing great. So we're gonna send this to Mama. Say hi, Mama.
Hi, Mama.
Tell Mama what you're doing. You're kayaking.
I'm kayaking with a paddle.
Yeah. Tell Mama what you ate at the campfire last night.
A s'more.
Tell Mama what you did today.
But I don't hear Mom.
Well, you're talking to her. We're gonna send this movie to her. Tell her where we went today. Do you remember?
No.
We played 18 holes of what?
18. Oh, here we go.
Yeah, and tell Mama what you got in one of the holes.
A goal.
You got a hole in... You got a hole in one. Yeah. Alright, paddle into shore, Alex. Well, you got to hold the paddle correctly, remember? Hold it in the middle. No, you're way over on one side, in the middle. No, middle. Like there.
Why the base is different than that. That's what you
Well, you got to get the paddling down first.